All right, welcome out to today's advisory report. We can see that we are keeping the market condition uncertain to neutral. The intermediate trend is bullish, and the short-term trend, the SP 500, is now closed over the 20-day moving average for a second day in a row, confirming the bullish trend in the technical aspect of the gauge, but we're still neutral. The market hasn't really busted out. I wouldn't quite give this the full bullish stance. We'll have to wait for a breakout. We'll mark that on the chart so we can take a look at what I'm talking about. Our current target for offense defense, 71% in the ultra aggressive, waiting for the market to make a decision before we get heavy into the leaders again. But the aggressive, the moderate aggressive, and the moderate are all tracking their typical allocations, considering what their strategies actually are. Let's go ahead and jump on over to some charts. This first chart is the intermediate trend. This is the S&P 500 weekly posted against the 30-week moving average. You can see a 2-month long consolidation, a rip out, a failed breakout, and now consolidating. Things are looking pretty good as this area right here is just holding above the 20-day moving average. Let's take a look at that short-term trend, and you can see very good action, actually tightening. We were worried about the flip-flopping back and forth. Now a break above this blue line that I drew here recently would probably be considered a let's go signal. We'll have to wait for some confirmation to see if that actually is what pans out, but things are looking good, and we're tight, and we're still above the previous base high. So very constructive. This thing is getting good looking. Let's jump on over to Market Lens. CrowdStrike, amazing action after hours. Right now up 13.44% after hours. Gapping up on earnings. Let's see, $210 to about right at this point. A harsh sell-off caused us to reduce, but we still have some shares. So the ultra aggressive account will enjoy this bump tomorrow. Now we'll see if this thing wants to hold and continue higher. Let's go ahead and take a look at HPE. And you can see a moderate, mild breakout from the lows right here. Earnings are September 2nd in about a week from now. But this one looks like it's ready to start turning up. We still have our positioning, that one. And then we have a position in Hinge, which we got a few days ago. This one is looking pretty good. As you can see, some wicks and some selling, but still wanting to kind of get out of this zone. I'll consider this a cup with handle, a really ugly inverse head and shoulder maybe also. But we're looking to see if this can definitively get above, and that could be an add if we can get out and stay above. That's what I got for you today. Take care. Have a wonderful afternoon. We'll be right back out tomorrow.